this video, I'll walk you through 4 different ways to fix a Wi-Fi network name that isn't showing up on your Android phone. Let's get started. 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router. First, turn off your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it from the power. Wait for about 30 seconds. After that, plug the router back in and turn it on. Now wait 1 to 2 minutes until the router finishes starting up. Then check your phone to see if the Wi-Fi network name is showing up. 2. Turn Wi-Fi off and back on, then restart your phone. Open the Settings app on your phone. Go to Connections. Turn Wi-Fi off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn Wi-Fi back on. If the network still doesn't appear, press and hold the power button and restart your phone. Once your phone turns back on, check the available Wi-Fi networks again. 3. Reset your network settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and go to System or General Management depending on your phone. Tap Reset or Reset Options. Choose Reset Network Settings. Then tap Reset Settings. If you're asked for your lock screen password, enter it to continue. Keep in mind that this will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings, so make sure you know your Wi-Fi password before you confirm the reset. Now tap Reset to confirm. 4. Check the SSID and 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz compatibility. If your Wi-Fi network is hidden, go to the Wi-Fi settings and use the Add Network option to enter the network name, SSID, and password manually. If the network still doesn't show up, check your router settings and make sure it's broadcasting on the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band that your Android phone supports. Save the settings, then check the Wi-Fi networks on your phone again. If you're still having any Wi-Fi problems, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.